What's up guys, Menny Lindenfeld here, and I'm excited to bring you TEMPUS. With TEMPUS, you will perform the cleanest and most believable watch-stopping demonstrations that looks and feels like real mind power, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to master. With the TEMPUS system, you can stop single and multiple borrowed watches. And once you stop a watch, you can freely handle the watch, you can let go of the watch, or you can let the spectator hold the watch. The watch will remain dead, and it will only come back to life and tick again at your command. You will learn how to stop a watch close up, frontal, on zoom, in the spectator's hands. Additionally, you will learn how to use the TEMPUS system for effects unrelated to watch stopping, including a routine where you mentally synchronize two unsynced watches. You will learn to stop your own watch while you wear it on the wrist and without coming near with the other hand. And to stop a clock as it hangs on the wall. Check this out. You can see both clocks on the wall, they both work. Now let me try something. And stop. You can see that this clock right here has stopped while this clock is still working. Let me make it work again and go. Additionally, you will learn never published before watch stopping secrets. You will learn how to control a watch with a chronograph and stop the main dial and each of the sub-dials in the watch individually. You will also learn how to cause the stopwatch in a chronograph to self-start without pressing any buttons. TEMPUS comes with gimmicks and accessories, plus an in-depth masterclass where I teach the most advanced watch-stopping secrets, techniques and routines which I've refined and perfected for 2 decades. You will learn the TEMPUS system, 12 powerful routines with watches, and how to best sell the telekinesis effect to your audience and make them believe that you are superhuman.